Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from OnePlus 5T. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Okay, we are ready, so you can open it. Allow permission, and if you want to send your message for free, just click on this banner. Click on the plus and choose search the document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery, like this screenshot for example. Tap on import. Now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Then you can choose the filter for a photo. After that, if you're ready, click on the accept icon. Click on the number to choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.